Welcome back to Apex Motive Cars, your go-to channel for the latest in performance and innovation. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2026 Acura Integra, a name that's back with a bang. This latest model blends its sporty legacy with a futuristic design that's sleek, bold, and ready for the road. From its aggressive front grille to its LED signature lighting and sculpted body lines, the Integra looks sharper and more performance-focused than ever. With both the base model and the high-powered Type S variant in the lineup, Acura has made it clear, this isn't just a revival, it's a reinvention. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Integra feels every bit as premium as its competition. You're greeted by a tech-rich, driver-focused interior featuring a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a crisp 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and Acura's ELS 16-speaker audio system fills the space with rich sound. The materials feel upscale, from soft leather to aluminum accents, and ambient lighting adds a modern touch. Heated and ventilated sport seats provide comfort on long drives and support during spirited ones. Overall, the interior is a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. Performance-wise, the 2026 Integra does not disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.0-liter VTC engine, delivering up to 320 horsepower in the Type S. This is paired with an enthusiast-approved 6-speed manual transmission, though an automatic CVT with paddle shifters is also available. Acura's dual-axis front suspension helps eliminate torque steer, while sport-tuned dampers and active exhaust provide a dynamic and exciting driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway, the Integra's powertrain is built to impress. On the road, the Integra feels like a true sport compact. It's sharp, agile, and planted, thanks to a well-tuned chassis and adaptive suspension system. In comfort mode, it's smooth and composed, ideal for everyday commuting. But flip it into sport mode, and the car tightens up, giving you sharper throttle response and firmer handling. The steering is precise, body roll is minimal, and the ride remains balanced even on winding roads. Acura's suite of driver assist features, like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring, ensures both safety and confidence behind the wheel. To wrap it up, the 2026 Acura Integra is more than just a return of a legendary name, it's a car that checks every box for the modern driver. It looks aggressive, feels luxurious inside, drives like a true performance machine, and offers practical tech and safety features. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Integra or someone seeking a sporty, reliable daily driver, this new generation delivers on all fronts. Acura has taken a bold step forward, and we're here for it. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more first looks, reviews, and comparisons right here on Apex Motive Cars.